Today we will see how to create posters like this. So let's get started. Open canva.com, click on create, search for flyer, click on flyer portrait. Now you can select your images from the upload section. You can upload your files. I will select the existing ones. Expand this image as per your liking. Click on transparency, change it till 50. Select the next image. If you don't want the background, just click on background removal. Expand this image. Click on edit. Go to effects, shadows. Click on glow. Here adjust the intensity. I will increase it till 75. Also I'll change the color to yellow as per my background. Lower the blur amount as per my image. Go back. In elements, search for golden light. And then click on graphics. Here you select any golden light that you like. For example, I will select this light. Here. Expand. And if it is too much, you can decrease the transparency. I will keep it till 65. Now search for DJ lights. Remove the graphics. For this image we can use this DJ light. Expand. Now right click, click on layer and send it backward. If you go to position, you can see all the layers and you can select from here as well. Now you select the DJ light and decrease the transparency all the way till 15. Now in the elements, search for crowded people, or let's say crowd of people. Here select this one, adjust it below. And now decrease its transparency. So here is your final result. You can also print with Canva and deliver it to your house as per your requirement. You can use, it is cheaper. I guess it is just 21 rupees per flyer. If you select more, it becomes even lesser. Thank you so much.